Welcome. This is Dr. Samuel Adebayo, your guide to the world of online earning. Today, we're stepping into the ever-expanding universe of the internet to discover the numerous ways students can generate income online. From the corners of your dorm room or your home, you can tap into an abundance of opportunities that can be flexibly synced with your studies and personal engagements. We will traverse the arenas of content creation to SEO optimization and introduce tools like TubeBuddy that are pivotal in enhancing your virtual visibility. So, whether you're scouring for a side hustle or a full-time gig, this guide is designed for you. Remember, the devil's in the details, so ensure you stay with us till the end to capture every essential piece of information. Now, if you're all to venture into the realm of online earning, let's plunge in. So why should students consider earning online? Let's find out. Earning online presents a multitude of benefits, especially for students. One of the most significant advantages is flexibility. Traditional jobs may require a 9-to-5 commitment, but when you're earning online, you have the freedom to set your own schedule. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for students as it allows them to balance their academic responsibilities with their work. In other words, you can study for your finals during the day and work on your online gig at night, or vice versa. It's all up to you. Now, let's talk about skill development. Online earning often involves tasks that require a certain set of skills. Whether it's graphic design, content creation, or digital marketing, these skills are not just profitable in the online world. They are highly transferable and sought after in the traditional job market too. So, by earning online, you're not just making money, you're also building a robust skill set that can open doors to numerous opportunities in the future. Next up is financial independence. Let's face it, being a student is not cheap. There are tuition fees, textbooks, and not to mention the occasional pizza parties. By earning online, students can alleviate some of these financial burdens. It allows them to pay for their expenses without constantly relying on their parents or student loans. Moreover, it teaches them valuable lessons about money management and financial responsibility. Finally, let's not forget about the convenience of working from the comfort of your own home or dorm room. In this case, no more commuting, no more dress codes, just you and your laptop. And in today's digital age, who wouldn't want that? Incorporating SEO, optimized keywords like online earning for students, flexible work hours, and financial independence into your online endeavors can also greatly enhance your reach and visibility on the web. With these benefits, it's clear why online earning is a great option for students. There are numerous ways for students to earn money online. Let's explore some of them. Now, the internet isn't just a tool for information and entertainment. It's also a vast marketplace of opportunities for those who are willing to tap into its potential. If you're a student looking for ways to make some extra cash, you're in luck. From content creation to freelance writing, online tutoring, and more, the possibilities are virtually limitless. Let's start with content creation. This is a broad field that includes things like video production, podcasting, blogging, and social media management. If you have a creative streak, this could be a great fit. For instance, you could start a YouTube channel about a topic you're passionate about. And to help you optimize your content and grow your channel, there's a handy tool called TubeBuddy. It's a browser extension that integrates directly into YouTube, helping you run your channel with ease. A promotion link for TubeBuddy will be available in the description section, so do check it out. Moving on, if you have a way with words, you might want to consider freelance writing. There are numerous platforms that connect freelance writers with clients in need of their services. You can write blog posts, articles, product descriptions, and much more. What's great about this is that you can often work on your own schedule and from the comfort of your own home. Next up, online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, why not share your knowledge with others and earn money while you're at it? There are many online tutoring platforms where you can offer your services. You can teach a wide range of subjects, from math and science to languages and music. Plus, you'll be helping others learn and grow, which can be quite rewarding. And let's not forget about online surveys and market research. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinions on their products or services. While this may not be a full-time job, it can be a nice way to earn a bit of extra cash in your spare time. But that's not all. There are also opportunities in graphic design, web development, virtual assistants, and so much more. It's all about finding something that matches your skills and interests. Keep in mind, these are just a few of the many ways you can earn money online. So don't limit yourself. Explore different options, experiment, and see what works best for you. The key is to be persistent and not get discouraged if things don't work out right away. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and with the right mindset and dedication, you can turn your online venture into a profitable side hustle or even a full-time job. These are just a few of the many ways students can earn money online. Now that we know the opportunities, how can students succeed in online earning? Well, there's no magic formula, but there are certainly some keys to success that many successful online earners have shared. Let's dive into these tips for success in online earning. First off, let's talk about consistency. Consistency is the cornerstone of success in virtually any field, and online earning is no exception. Whether it's posting regular content on a blog or YouTube channel, consistently working on freelance projects, or regularly updating your online store, consistency is key. It's through this consistent effort that you build up a reputation, a brand, and ultimately a customer base. Next up is skill development. The online earning space is constantly evolving, with new opportunities and challenges popping up all the time. To keep up with this fast-paced world, it's important to continually learn and develop new skills. This could mean taking online courses, attending webinars, or even just reading up on the latest trends and techniques. The more skills you have, the more opportunities you'll be able to take advantage of. Networking is another crucial component of success in online earning. It's not always about what you know, but who you know. Connecting with others in your field can open up opportunities, provide valuable feedback, and help you learn from others' experiences. This could mean joining online forums, attending virtual networking events, or simply reaching out to others on social media. Another tip is to always keep the end user in mind. Whether you're creating a product, writing a blog post, or providing a service, always think about the person at the other end. What do they need? What problems are they trying to solve? If you can provide value to your audience, they'll keep coming back for more. Don't forget about search engine optimization, or SEO. This is the process of optimizing your online content so that search engines like Google can find it. By using SEO, optimized keywords in your content, you can increase your visibility and reach a larger audience. Lastly, remember to stay adaptable. The online world is always changing, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Be ready to pivot, try new things, and adapt to the changing landscape. And one last thing, patience. Success in online earning doesn't come overnight. It takes time, effort, and persistence. It can be frustrating when things don't go as quickly as you'd like, but remember, every step you take is a step closer to your goal. Remember, success in online earning doesn't come overnight. It takes time, effort, and persistence. So keep going, keep learning, and keep striving for success. You've got this. Like any venture, online earning also comes with its risks. Let's talk about these and how to handle them. First off, the internet is a vast sea filled with all sorts of creatures. Some are friendly dolphins, but others might be dangerous sharks. In the world of online earning, these sharks often come in the form of scams. These are false opportunities that promise quick returns for little work. They might ask for an upfront payment or personal information and then disappear without a trace. So, if that job offer sounds too good to be true, it just might be. Next, we have the risk of unpaid work. This is when you complete a task or project, but the client refuses to pay or simply vanishes. To avoid this, always ensure to have a written contract before you start any work. This can be as simple as an email agreement. Also, consider using online platforms that offer payment protection for freelancers. Now let's move on to how you can protect yourself. First, always do your research. If a company or individual contacts you with a job offer, look them up, check out their website, their social media, and any online reviews. Second, be cautious with your personal information. Never give out sensitive details like your social security number or bank account details unless you're sure about the legitimacy of the company or individual. Lastly, trust your gut. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. It's better to miss out on a potentially good opportunity than to fall victim to a scam. Remember to use the right keywords when searching for online earning opportunities. Words like remote, freelance, online tutor, or content creator can help you find legitimate opportunities. And if you're into content creation, TubeBuddy is a great tool to help optimize your videos for SEO. By being aware and taking precautions, students can safely earn money online. And always remember, the internet is a great place to earn, but only if you navigate it with wisdom and caution. So, are you ready to start your online earning journey? We've covered a lot today, from the benefits of earning online to the wide array of opportunities available. We've shared tips for success and important precautions to keep in mind. Remember, content creation is a viable side hustle, and tools like TubeBuddy can make your journey easier. Now, it's time to put these insights into action. Start by identifying your skills and interests, then explore the platforms and opportunities that align with them. Don't forget, patience and perseverance are key. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos filled with useful tips and tricks. Remember, the world of online earning is vast and full of opportunities. As a student, you have what it takes to succeed. So, go ahead, start your online earning journey today. Before we wrap up, we have an important message for you. The internet is a vast ocean of opportunities waiting for you to dive in. It's a place where dreams are realized, where your talents and skills can find a global audience. The key is to start earning online. It's not a pipe dream or a lottery. It's a journey, a process that begins with a single step. So, are you ready to take action? Online earning is about more than just making money. It's about autonomy, flexibility, and the freedom to work from anywhere, anytime. It's about pursuing your passion and getting rewarded for it. It's a world where everyone, regardless of their background or circumstances, can thrive and succeed. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. And that step could be as simple as signing up for a freelancing site or starting your blog. It could be creating your first YouTube video or launching your online store. No matter what it is, the important thing is to start. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. In the world of online earning, there's room for everyone. Whether you're a writer, a designer, a programmer, or a content creator, there's an audience out there waiting for you. All you need to do is take the plunge, and while you're at it, remember to use tools like TubeBuddy to help you optimize your content and reach a larger audience. These tools aren't magic wands, but they can make your journey a little easier and a lot more rewarding. So, what are you waiting for? Your online earning journey starts now. It's time to step out of your comfort zone and into a world of endless possibilities. It's time to take action and start earning today. Thank you for watching. Remember, your journey to online earning starts now. So take action and start earning today.